you see, Rajiv?
See what?
12 साल से तुम उससे मिले नहीं हो और अब अचानक ही wants to meet you.
So what are you saying?
तुम्हें याद नहीं है? मेरे मामा जी आए थे. भांजी को मिस कर रहा हूँ, भांजी से मिलना है. और अल्टीमेटली क्या था? किडनी फेलियर का फ्री ट्रीटमेंट. 3 डॉक्टर्स. She's a woman of substance in the sense she has her own viewpoint and she knows, that she has to get it across to her husband, things that concern Vinay in the film.
I was a little skeptical. What do I do? Should I tell her or not? Then I said, ठीक है यार, पहली फिल्म है मेरी, मैं honestly चाहता हूँ कि सूची प्ले करे ये रोल, तो why not? At least let me ask her. She can always refuse. So I called her. I told her the whole story, and I didn't tell her role to sell it to her, but I told her the whole story, and I told her what is the role I want her to play. She got it, and she didn't even think twice. She said, you're a friend, and it's Vinay and your film, and it's superb, and it's your production, and you're doing it. It's the first film, so it's okay. We'll do it.
क्या? क्या? एक मिनट. क्या?
My character is he's the boss, and it is never forgotten in the film that he's the boss. He is the boss. He will be the boss, and he will always remain the boss.
He represents dominance. He represents power. He's the guy who represents, the pushover. He sees to it that के उसके सामने सिर्फ वही है.
First thing that came to my mind was him being a sloppy eater, because there are a lot of people who eat sloppily, and it's a classic office में जो बैठ के खाते हैं those steel trays, from the canteen, and it's always medu vadas and idlis and masala dosas, because it's that kind of Indian junk food.
सर आपको पता है इस गाड़ी में CD चेंजर भी है? हाँ? with 4-way speaker. एक मिनट सर, सुनाती हूँ. ये देखिए. My character is very interesting. It is very long, no. Is it throughout the film? No. Does it leave an impact? Absolutely yes. Just another sales girl, but a little more charming and really sweet. जैसे आप जाते हैं, when you go to buy a car. So मैंने वो सारी चीज़ें ध्यान में रखी while performing. And well, what else can I say? There was Vinay Pathak in front of me, so inspiration comes right from there.
Urvi is very funny. Okay, she's extremely funny. तो वो set पे उसने अपना create कर दिया एक. And honestly, when you see the film, that Garima, who's a sales girl, you remember her. And that's what I call the definition of a good actor, who could make that 1 minute or 3 minute or 30-second role in the film memorable.
जब मुझे पता चला that मेरे दोस्त ये फिल्म बना रहे हैं, I didn't even have to think कि मैं ये करूँ ना करूँ. मैंने ये भी नहीं पूछा क्या रोल है. I didn't ask anything. I just said yes, of course I have to be. I will be part of it. If it means I have to come and stand with the light, I'll do that. Or if I have to give tea. But then I think they got scared because I make really bad tea. So they said no. आप एक काम करो, रोल कर लो, better होगा.
काम छोड़ के आया हूँ मैं यहाँ पे. और आप जो बेचारे हो ना, आप हमेशा बेचारे ही रहोगे. आज तक कुछ अपने लिए कर नहीं पाए हो और कुछ कर भी नहीं पाओगे.
Gaurav was our first choice because he not just fit the bill for Vivek's character, but he also has the quality of a little rebellious, naughty younger brother that the character asked for.
मेरा जो कैरेक्टर है विवेक कौल का, यानी कि अमर कौल का छोटा भाई, उस कैरेक्टर में बेसिक चीज़ें तो ये हैं कि रिबेलियस है, क्योंकि छोटे भाई नॉर्मली रिबेलियस होते हैं. किसी भी घर में 2 भाई हो, छोटा वाला थोड़ा ज़्यादा पंगे लेता है विद पेरेंट्स, विद सोसाइटी. और बड़े भाई और छोटे भाई में जो तनाव होते हैं, माँ नहीं सुनती है, माँ प्यार तो दोनों को करती है, पर हमेशा 2 भाइयों में ये होता है कि बड़े भाई को लगता है कि माँ छोटे को ज़्यादा प्यार करती है और छोटे को लगता है कि माँ बड़े को ज़्यादा प्यार करती है. दैट्स द